Oh, Liam, rolled down the hill. Okay, try again. I think you can make it this time. Daddy's going to help.
What was his face like when he was going down?
I don't know. Okay, climb up again. Okay, grab him, Roberto. That branch isn't going to hold him. Okay. This time Mommy's going to stand here.
Hey, you ready? Hold on. Can you come back here? Let go. Can you now grab?
All right.
Nice.
That probably was worse than him hitting. Was that fun, Liam? Yeah. Here, give a comment to the camera. How was the ride? Was it fast?
Yeah.